Thanks for those details. Now, Singapore's Supreme Court has set aside an arbitral award presided by former Chief Justice of India, Dipak Misra. Singapore's top court says significant portions of an international arbitral award involving a government railway contract were copied and pasted from two similar Indian arbitration awards. Ashmit Kumar is here with all of those details. Ashmit?
Well, former Chief Justice of India, Justice Dipak Misra, though he retired in 2018, continues to make headlines even today. Just to help jog your memory, Justice Dipak Misra, the very same CJI who'd seen the four senior-most judges of the Supreme Court after him rebel against him, do a press conference for the very first time in the history of the Supreme Court. The very same CJI responsible for sweeping landmark judgments such as allowing entry of women in the Sabrimala temple, striking down Section 377 of the IPC, even upholding the constitutional validity of the Aadhaar Act. That very same Justice Dipak Misra now facing embarrassment at the hands of the Supreme Court of Singapore. The Supreme Court of Singapore striking down an arbitral award that had been written, that had been authored by Justice Dipak Misra. The reason? Well, the Supreme Court says it's a copy-paste job. Now, just here's the context. 2017, there was a dispute that arose between the Indian Railways, the Indian government, and private contractors on the other hand. The reason for that dispute, well, the centre, the government, had issued a notification increasing the minimum wages, and thereby the private contractors asked for a higher remuneration. This matter went into arbitration. Justice Dipak Misra authored the award, but the Supreme Court has taken exception to that, saying that 47% of this arbitral award is a copy-paste job from other awards that the same Justice Dipak Misra had authored. This is something that the Supreme Court said it's not comfortable with, that it needs to in fact set aside this arbitral award for that reason alone, that this is not a practice that will be encouraged, and that it's not casting any aspersions on Justice Dipak Misra, but for matter of principles, to be in line with the process of the law of the land. This is not something that the Supreme Court is comfortable with, and therefore striking down Justice Dipak Misra's award for being a copy-paste job.